Hello everybody. Today we will be installing Git Bash. Before doing that, let's actually talk about Git Bash. So Git Bash is a command line program that is like a Linux terminal combined with a Windows command prompt. So that's the most basic explanation that I can get. So let's go ahead and go to Google and type in Git Bash. You can actually download this by this website, git-scm.com/downloads, and you can get the Windows version, which is what we want. You can still wait. Well, I'm not gonna download it because I already have downloaded this program and it's right here. So let's click. If you haven't downloaded it yet, pause the video, download it, because I'm going to begin in the installation phase. Okay, so let's run this. Yes. Click next. You want it to be C program files, Git, and yeah, just leave everything. Yep, leave everything. Daily. You can check this if you want daily updates for Git. Okay. But I'm not going to check it because I can, check for updates manually. Next, okay, use Vim, which is the default text editor in the Git command line. Okay, I'm going to make it Vim. Okay, let's use Git from the Windows command prompt. So you can use Git and Windows command prompt in the same time. Use OpenSSL library, and no, we're not gonna check out, or this is actually a user preference. Oh, I mean, no, not this. This, exactly. This is what I want. This is actually a user preference. You can use this, and you can make it act as a Linux terminal. The same font, the same everything, the same styling, or you can use Windows default console window. So this is actually a user preference, and I'm going to use this. Enable file system caching, enable Git credential manager, enable symbolic links. You can click this if you want to add like this styling to a link that you posted in the command line. Okay. So we're going to enable that. Or you know what? I'm not going to enable that because we're going to... Well, it's actually a user preference. So yeah, I'm not going to enable that. We're going to wait for it until it installs. And then we're going to get used to it by giving some examples in it and, checking the commands in it and so on. Okay, so it's nearly installed. Alright, and it's done, I guess. Yep, it is. It's done. Yep. We're gonna uncheck this and check this to launch Git Bash directly. So this is the Git Bash window. Okay, you can type in Linux terminal commands like ls, and it's gonna give you the lists of directories that you have in your current path, and you can even make dir or rm-f or something like that. So it combines Windows with Windows command prompt and Linux terminal. So we installed it, and we're going to be using this in the later chapters. Thanks for watching.